Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize thirsty affiliates for affiliate link organization, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize thirsty affiliates for affiliate link organization, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New to search for thirsty affiliates. In the search bar, type thirsty affiliates and press enter. Locate the thirsty affiliates plugin in the search results. Click the Install Now button next to the plugin. Once installed, click the Activate button to enable thirsty affiliates. Next, go to the thirsty affiliates section in your dashboard. Click on Settings to configure the plugin. You will see several tabs. Start with the General Settings tab. Here, set your desired link prefix for your affiliate links. This will help in organizing and managing your links effectively. Next, move to the Advanced Settings tab. Check the options that suit your needs, like link cloaking and nofollow attributes. After adjusting the settings, click the Save Changes button. Now, navigate to the Affiliates section in the Thirsty Affiliates menu. Click on Add New to create your first affiliate link. Enter the affiliate name and the actual affiliate URL you want to organize. Add any notes or descriptions for your reference if desired. Set the link group if you've created custom groups for better organization. Click the Save Link button to complete the process. To test your newly created affiliate link, go back to the affiliates list. Locate the link you just created and click on it to view the details. Use the generated link to ensure it redirects properly to the affiliate offer. Make any necessary adjustments based on your tests. Remember to repeat this process for any additional affiliate links you wish to add. You can also explore the link category section for further organization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.